Welcome to Classy Fashion Ideas. Hello, friends. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. So, now let's move to the details of this video. Dear friends, in this video, I'm here with you along with a very unique and easy to make, soft and comfortable collection of handmade, hand knitted crochet cushion covers, bed sheets, pillow covers that you can use for your sofas to give a very comfortable touch, and to your bedrooms a very unique and nice touch, very soft and comfortable set of bed sheets. So you can take very amazing and stylish color combination ideas, knitting pattern ideas from this video. All of these designs are very unique and easy to make. If you are a professional artist and you know how to knit and you know the art of knitting, then this video collection is entirely for you. And at the same time, if you are a crochet lover or you are interested to design your home according to your taste, then this video collection is entirely for you. You can just simply take the screenshots of the designs you like and then show it to a professional and get yourselves very amazing and stylish hand knitted, handmade crochet bed sheets, pillow covers and cushion covers for your home decor. So if you like the video, kindly to press the like button, and if you are new or non-subscriber, then kindly to subscribe our channel so that you could remain notified with very trendy, stylish and comfortable fashion ideas, latest and trendy ideas and related to women fashion. So don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the video. Take care.